Hello everyone. Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is India wins presidency of IIAS. This topic relates to international relations section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Recently, India has won the presidency of the International Institute of Administrative Sciences for the 2025 to 2028 term. The Indian presidency will focus on bridging the North-South divide and promoting unity and inclusivity in public administration. It is the first time the IIAS president was elected via ballot and the first time India has held the presidency. Significantly, India has been a member of IIAS since 1998 and is now set to lead the organization. Before moving further, an important announcement. The offline batch of the IAS GS Foundation course, Prelims plus Mains, has started at Drishti IAS, Noida. Admissions are now open for English medium and Hindi medium batches will start from 9th June, 3 p.m. For more details, contact 8750187501. Now let's discuss about International Institute of Administrative Science, IIAS. It is an international non-profit organization with scientific purposes, established in 1930. This global organization focuses on public administration research and collaboration, with 31 member countries and 15 academic research centers. IIAS members include major countries like Japan, China, Germany, and Saudi Arabia, indicating the institution's global significance in the field of public administration. The Council of Administration is the main governance body of the association. The IIAS president is elected by the General Assembly on proposal of the outgoing Council of Administration among the representatives of IIAS member countries, member states, and national sections. India's presidency will guide the IIAS collaboration with the United Nations, particularly through the UN Committee of Experts on Public Administration, CPA, and the UN Public Administration Network, UNPAN. Now is the time for practice question. Which of the following countries are members of the IIAS? A. Japan, China, Germany, and Saudi Arabia. B. United States, Russia, Japan, and Brazil. C. Australia, India, South Africa, and China. D. India, France, Germany, and Indonesia. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.